Hey guys, welcome to Body Code. So, I'm going on vacation today for the next 4 days. I'm excited. I thought I'd do a little vlogging vacation trip again. I did one last year with my brother. This year I'm going with Anna, my girlfriend. So we're going to Myrtle Beach, and which surprisingly, I seen the water, ocean is like blue. Sorry, I look a little rough. It's 4 in the morning, and I have clients this morning, so I'm gonna go train them and get them out of the way, and I'm hopefully leaving here by 8 or 9. That's early, y'all. 4 o'clock. Do this shit Monday through Friday and then go to my regular job. So I'm gonna bring y'all along for the vacation. Thought I'd get this started with how my day's going, how it starts at 4 in the morning. Super tired, but I had coffee, so let me drive and get to this client and get it over with. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we just got finished training my clients, and now vacation has officially started. I know Anna's still sleeping in there, so I'm gonna go in there, shower, wake her ass up. We're gonna start packing the car, and we are going to head to the beach. I do need to get something to eat, and we'll probably stop by Starbucks and get us a coffee. That way we can, you know, wake up. Even though I'm already awake, I'll be up 3 hours prior to her. So let's get this vacation started. Alright guys, so we are packed and ready. So this is Anna. I talked about it earlier today. So we're gonna head on out. It is, what time is it? 8 o'clock. So we should be at the beach by 1 o'clock, and I will see y'all in the car. Hey y'all, so we are here getting breakfast at Chick-fil-A. I ain't had breakfast from Chick-fil-A in so long. What about you?
I've never had it.
Yep, so I'm gonna go in here, and then after that we're gonna hit Starbucks up, and we're gonna head straight to the beach. So we got our child in the back. Let's see if I can. His name's Butternut, buckled in. So we're gonna get him some chicken minis. But we're gonna go in, eat, and I will see y'all here in a little bit. Stop recording. Alright, so we just got done with breakfast and went to Starbucks. I got a matcha. What you get, Anna?
I got a grande London Fog.
London Fog. It's gonna be good. So we're not gonna stop unless I gotta pee. So until then, we're gonna do a time-lapse video, and you're just gonna watch us or the road, and it's like go fast forward and stuff. So it's gonna be great. Alright, so we're stopping to get gas. We have a passenger. He said sit in the back. Yeah. Butternut wants to sit up front. So we just left the gas station. We're going to leave the gas station. We have another hour and a half to go in there, right? We're almost there. Ooh, sun drop. Thank you. I probably should empty the car out too, huh? So we will be back. All right, so we arrived in our hotel room. It's full. It's oceanfront. 2 beds, 2 queens. Well, 3 queens, including Anna. A sexy bathing suit. So, let's see. Oh, yeah. What y'all been waiting for? We stayed here last year. We were at the top floor here last year. So, I'm kind of not a big fan of this below, but I mean, pretty good. At least no one can see up, I guess, and at least we have oceanfront. Below here is the, they have like an indoor pool and a jacuzzi under there. And also, we have that pool too. And obviously, the ocean. So what we're gonna do now, since they let us check in early, so it's 2 o'clock, so obviously she got her bathing suit on, so we're gonna go out here and we are gonna lay out for a little bit. I know she's hungry, so I'm trying to do this quick, and we're gonna lay out, come back in, do groceries, and then we're gonna go eat something good. So we'll catch y'all in a little bit. What's going on, guys? So me and Anna here, we did go out to the beach for a little bit. We are going to eat. So we were like, dude, we want some fucking fish. So we found a place. Anna found this place. It's called Bubba's. What's that? Bubba's. It's Bubba's, right? Yeah. Or Bubba's Fish Camp, whatever it is. So I'm gonna bring y'all in with me, and you'll see what we get. We're gonna get some fish, obviously, and I want some shrimp. So, you hungry?
Yeah, I'm gonna get fried flounder if they have those.
She's gonna get flounder. We'll get some shrimp. So I'll show y'all what we eat when we get in there. So. You mind if I record you? So we started with the fried, calamari, and we ordered fried flounder. So this place is pretty cool looking. So it's got, I hate to like record people. I'm just gonna record. So that's pretty good. You look good, babe. You look good. So when the food gets here, I will show y'all what we got. So this is the food we got. You wanna look at the food? I'm not looking at your cleavage, I promise. So we're gonna eat this and we'll come right back. Alright, so we just left Bubba's Fish Camp. We didn't like it. She didn't like it at all. So it's okay. I'm full anyway. I still eat the food even if I don't like it. But now we're gonna do desserts. And what are you thinking?
Strawberry milkshake.
She wants the strawberry milkshake. You know, Myrtle Beach, we having all these fucking places with ice cream and shit. So we're gonna see if we can find some ice cream. Maybe one with a mason jar. We'll see. So. Alright, so we decided to find ice cream here at the Myrtle Beach. What's it called? Boardwalk at the beach, I think. So they got like coasters. We'll walk around a little bit, get some footage. I'm with Anna. Super shy. I swear to God, when I turn the camera off, she never shuts up. But I love her there. So, alright, so we're gonna come look here, maybe do a little shopping. Maybe Anna's gonna, you know, she's my sugar mama, so she's gonna buy me some shit. She don't know it yet, but she is. I'm just kidding. Alright, so I'm gonna take y'all in here. We found a milkshake place, and it looks like they do it in like the mason jar, fancy. Never had one in a mason jar. It probably tastes the same as the plastic McDonald's shit, but we do it for the looks, right? Alright, so also they have a Ripley's Aquarium. Have you ever been there?
I think so.
Yeah.
I don't remember though.
I've been there like when I was little, but I can't remember for nothing. Definitely would like to go back. They might have penguins.
Oh, yeah,
So,
I want to see some penguins.
Yeah. Alright, so we're going, I'm gonna turn this off. Alright.
Where we go?
You ever done zip lining before? You ever done zip lining before?
No.
No?
I feel like a zip line would be good down my creek at my house.
So what?
You know the creek backyard at my house.
That would be cool, actually. Yeah, you could actually, but you probably have enough land on there to build one, you know? Yeah.
And a lot of no doubts, but I appreciate it.
You said no doubt?
No, that's what happened.
Is that what?
That's what happened. Sorry.
Think so? Yeah. How you doing, Kupo? That's a good shot, ain't it? I have a holder I should have brought with us.
Oh, that would have been good.
Would, wouldn't it? Look at Kupa's bucket hat she just got. Kind of cute, ain't it? So this is the boardwalk, man cave. I just don't want to point at people, but so we're still looking for ice cream. Can't find it. We're gonna find it though.
Yes!
So me and Anna went to the, I had surprised her because I seen this last time I went to the beach and I was hoping it was open, and it was open. It was closed when me and my brother went. I wanted to do this with her. So this, I've never seen this before, never done it before, but it is a wax station, which is pretty cool. I wish I had got this on camera. I was not thinking I should have because I brought my camera. But you put your hands together. I don't know how good y'all can see it, but it's both of our hands together in wax. So you dip your hand in wax a couple times, it's kind of hot. But look how cool that is. As her hand is the pink and my hand's the blue one. So, let's see. See, there's my thumb. That's her fingers. Love it. So cute. So, not too expensive. It's like maybe 30 bucks total. Yeah. Definitely worth it. So now we are going grocery shopping. I am super tired because y'all know I started vlogging at 4 o'clock this morning prior to me going to my clients. It's now 7:30 and we're just now going to do the grocery store, get everything so we can have food for the couple days, drinks, etc. So now we're going to Walmart. So I will probably...
Yeah, my bucket.
Your bucket hat. She bought a bucket hat. So I will vlog a little before we go to bed. We'll probably go back to the beach and look at it. Not too sure if it'll swim because it'll be dark, but we'll see. I'll bring it along. So, okay. What's up, guys? It is late. We were back. I can't remember last time what I said. I think we did Christmas shopping. What the fuck am I talking about? Grocery shopping. So we went to Walmart, got groceries for the rest of the time we're here. We're back. We got in our bathing suits, came out to the pool, did that for a little bit, came back in. We're about to wrap it up. It's like 11 o'clock. She's in the shower. I'm already clean, so wait for her to get out. Then we're gonna go to bed, and that's day one of my vacation. I'll film a little bit tomorrow. This time I'm going to take the camera out and go with, take it out to the beach, to the pool. So I have 3 cameras with me. I have my GoPro, which I'll be taking out to the beach because GoPros can go in the water. So I'll maybe see how it is with underwater footage and not have to worry about like getting it wet when I'm at the pool or beach. So thank y'all for watching. This is day 1 of my Myrtle Beach trip. So again, y'all have a safe and wonderful night. Not sure when I'm going to upload this, but whatever it is, have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, and thank y'all for watching.
Yes!